Napapansin ko kanina pa, mahilig kayo dito magturuan, kundi magturuan, maghugas ng kamay. Plus, sinabi niyo po, Secretary Loizaga, it was before your term, okay? Sige, granting ganun na nga. Now, ikaw na nakaupo at alam mo may mga violation, correct it. Wag no, don't blame other people. Don't blame the previous administration.
Very respectfully, sir, I am not blaming anyone. I am acknowledging the facts as they are on the ground when I assumed office.
Exactly.
And this is why I have begun to institute these investigations, and we have suspended the power of the region to actually issue ECCs.
Kasi ang sinabi niyo po kanina, Madam Secretary, na ang nag-issue ng building permit ay yung LGU, right?
That is the reality on
Correct.
the ground, sir.
Exactly. Now, kayo bilang taga-monitor ng environment sa DNR, you should have monitored that. Nakarating sa inyong kaalaman na bawal yan, you should have coordinated with the LGU and tell the LGU dahil may tinatawag din na sendo, bawal dyan kasi protected area yan. Dapat hindi nyo binigyan ng building permit yan in the first place. That's part of your monitoring.
Thank you very much, sir. And all these investigations have surfaced, in fact, these facts. We are being very careful as far as establishing whose responsibility and authorities were put in line during the process of the construction of these particular structures. We cannot just point fingers, as you said. We have to acknowledge that the investigation and the evidence need to be quite thorough. And that's what we're doing now, respectfully, sir, if I may. At this point, we cannot establish the exact facts during the time that these constructions actually occurred. Even Red Dumagan was not the Red during that time. And therefore, we are actually constituting now and actually constructing now these events in order for us to take the appropriate action. So your recommendations, sir, are very well taken. I would just like to humbly represent that we are not pointing fingers here. We are acknowledging the facts on the ground. We are acknowledging the gaps in the law. And we are acknowledging also the possible gaps in our implementation, having seen that, in fact, these structures were erected even if these are in protected areas. I think, sir, at this point, and Madam Chair, with your indulgence, it's really important for us to understand the circumstances behind these actual constructions. We are not fully in control of these areas, as you know, given the kind of manpower that we have. The local governments are partners in the protection of the environment. This is not the DNR's sole job. This is the job of
You
the
did mention na kayo ay partners ng LGU.
Yes.
In protecting the environment. So, ba't wala kayo bang ginagawang coordination sa LGU na each time may magpapatayo, kukuha ng permit para, building permit para magpatayo sa isang protected area, dapat kinukonsulta kayo, dumadang muna sa inyo? Wala bang ganong klaseng coordination?
Thank you very much, sir. In fact, that is what we're doing at this point. I've also had very close coordination with Secretary Ben-Hur Abalos. We are going to try to produce the process that is required in order for, in fact, this to be stopped at the inception rather than the corrective measures that we are having to take now. So between the DLG and ourselves and the DOT, because ecotourism is such a big part of, in fact, this actual activity, we are now coordinating very closely, and we have recommendations on the process as well as the constitution and function of the PAMB that will be submitted as part of our position paper, sir.
Kasi yung BPLO or yung LGU, bago sila magbigay ng building permit, meron tinatawag na zoning, right? Tama. At dun sa zoning, malalaman kung anong area yan, whether that area is protected, whether that area ay hindi dapat mapatayuan o pwedeng patayuan. Then, proper coordination with the LGU, you should know, malalaman mo kung ano yung mga areas na dapat hindi na pinatayuan ng building, na dapat yung LGU may coordination din sa inyo para mutually masasabi nyo na hindi pwede dyan, or pwede dyan, okay dyan. So, sa nakikita ko po kasi, marami na napatay na struktura at sinasabi nyo nga, okay, sige, hindi nyo po control yun, control po ng LGU. Pero kung meron kayong proper coordination, hindi sana patay yung building ngayon through proper coordination with the LGU.
Respectfully, sir, I agree with you, and therefore the coordination needs to be made more effective. I also recognize the point of Madam Chair on the difficulty regarding local dynamics and the pressures that we face in this type of activities. If I may also, sir, I think that we need to acknowledge that in some of these areas, there are titles, alienable and disposable lands that are already with title. And therefore, we have no option but to recognize the rights and have that regulation be part of the LGU and DNR coordination, as you have suggested, sir.
Chair. Madam Chair, siguro itong Twin Mountain View Resort, natayo na ba itong structure na to before nabigyan ng PAMB tsaka ECC? The second resort?
Yes, Your Honor.
So natayo na din siya?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I would assume ikaw na nagbigay ng permit because this was given November 10, 2022.
No, public clearance is 2022. The ECC 2023. This was issued by our EMB, Your Honor.
So, not you.
Not
Not
me,
you.
Your Honor.
Pero kasi, katulad na ito, it's not the previous government. This was done 2022. Same issue, natayo na yung, bakit hindi yung naging ruling was to demolish the structure? Bakit ang naging ano is to give the PAMBI and the ECC? When to begin with, may violation na siya, ha? Kasi natayo niya na wala siyang PAMBI, wala siyang ECC. So bakit hindi niya na lang right there and then inisyohan sila ng, ano ba yan? To demolish the structure. Kasi they already violated.
Your Honor, it was the PAMI which granted the clearance, but our EMB called them for technical conference and penalized them, Your Honor.
And what was the penalty?
They were made to pay, I think, 50,000.
Hindi, so bakit hindi nyo naisip na ang ibigay na penalty to demolish? Why not use that option?
The process, Madam Chair and Honorable Senator, the process is they have to secure PAMBI clearance. First, we have
Yeah,
to
pero
be very
Isek,
clear.
wala hong PAMBI clearance sa tayo eh. I mean, it's a fact. Natayo yung structure, walang PAMBI clearance, walang ECC.
In this case, this would fall under prohibited acts, no? And the law says, like mutilation, alteration, defacing, construction of, the law provides penalty for those acts, no? 50 from
And hindi yung
50,000
penalty,
to
hindi yung penalty, hindi option nyo to issue.
and rehab the area that they have defaced.
Yep.
And mutilated.
Pag PAMBI, we can understand because there are local government in PAMBI. But ECC, completely DNR yan. Ha? So, wag nyo ipalusot yan. Pati kayo kasali. Pag nag-issue ng ECC, kasali ang DNR. Pwede nyo pa ipalusot yung PAMBI, may local government to. But ECC, kayo lang yan. Walang nag-i-issue ng ECC kundi ang DNR. So, kasalanan niya ng DNR.
Hindi ba
Sa
kasi,
amin, ang nag-issue ng ECC sa reclamation, DNR. Oh.
di ba
Hindi
po kasi
pa rin
Yusek,
yun.
parang kaya hindi rin nga sila natatakot. Kasi alam nila, magbabayad lang naman kami ng 50,000 pesos eh. Kasi you've never used that option na i-demolish yung property. Kasi nga, clearly they're already in violation of the law.
Yeah, but that's what the law provides, no?
Talaga ang
Finding
DNR. Kasali kayo.
prohibited acts.
Huwag niyo
Meron
sabihin na
corresponding
hindi
penalty.
kayo kasali. Talagang kasali kayo. Sa
and-
amin, lahat kayo kasali. Huwag niyo nang sabihin hindi kayo kasali dyan. You agreed with the local government. Kasabuat kayo. Hindi mai-issue ang ECC without DNR. Talagang DNR ang nag-i-issue ng ECC.
Why? What happened?
Bakit naghugas kamay na naman, Madam Chair?
Ano?
Naghugas kamay na naman?
Hindi, ang ECC talaga DNR. Ang
I know.
PAMBI, combination ng local yan at saka DNR. Pwede pa silang lumusot dyan. Katulad nun, ang nag-issue, mga barangay captain, oo. Pero yung ECC, hindi pwedeng issue yun ng hindi DNR.
As a follow-up dun sa sinabi ni Senator Cynthia, it makes sense na, or it doesn't make sense na yung bang building na illegal ang pagkatayo ay mumultahan niyo ng 50,000 versus dapat pinatanggal niyo na lang. Pinademolish niyo na lang. Di ba?
Kasi kung susundin natin, Sen. Rafi, yung mga pending na wala pang permit, parang ang direksyon niya, magkakaroon din
So,
siya.
ito mga pending, bibigyan nyo lang ng, sinabi naman kanina ni, I'm sorry, taga-region, pending, pero eventually magkakaroon ng permit after certain compliance, kung ano pa man yung compliance na yun. Pero the fact of the matter remains na illegal ang pagtatayo nila doon. So, mangyari, mumultahan nyo lang ng 50,000, and then after na makapagbayad ng 50,000, and then igugo nyo na. Dapat, nung makita nyo na illegal yung structure na yun, pinademolish na lang. Kaysa naman pagbayarin ng 50,000 and then igugo later on.
Madam Chair, if I may, what the law mandates us to do upon the passage of the Inay Pass is inventory existing structures, and then there should be determination if they are detrimental to the spirit of the proclamation or law, making it protected area.
Ako, I can
And then-
understand kung yung AND, mga agricultural land, I can understand that. But magpapagawa kayo ng mga resort, that's another one. You should ask them to build the resort outside of the protected area on the way to the protected area. They should not build it in the protected area. Ako, I can understand kung ang paggagawa nyo yung mga nakatira doon, agriculture sila. Kasi yung agriculture, mas bagay sa protected area. Magtatanim sila. Okay lang yon. Pero building resort, i-issuehan nyo ng ECC in a protected area. That's really something, ha? And ang ECC talagang DNR lang yan. Hindi yan local government. I can understand pa yung PAMBI. Pero dito, you have to have PAMBI resolution and ECC. Kung ibinigay ng PAMBI yung kanilang resolution, huwag nyo ibigay yung ECC. Because that's your responsibility. Ngayon, kung gusto nila, kung magtatanim, okay lang sa akin yun kasi bagay yun, di ba? Sa protected area, nataniman natin. Pero yung lalagyan mo ng mga hotel, mga kung ano-ano, sabihin nyo sa kanila, mag-build sila outside the protected area on the way to the protected area. Kasi, kikita din sila dun eh. O, kikita lang sila dun. Yung mga lupa, on the way to the protected area, but not on the protected area.